Welcome to this course about the art of programming. If you're just starting out on your journey as a programmer, I envy you that you can make such a good start. And if you're already familiar with programming and want to understand it deeper, I'm happy for you that you discovered this great source. Here are our goals for this first lesson. First, what is the art of programming? The answer to this question introduces the unique perspective we'll explore throughout the course. Next, what topics will the course cover? I'll give you a brief overview of what you can expect to learn. Then, who will be teaching this course? I'll share a bit about myself and why I'm excited to guide you on this journey. Finally, I'll give you all the information to decide whether this course aligns with your goals. So, what is the art of programming? Many people unfamiliar with programming, and even unfortunate graduates of many courses and training programs, believe that programming is merely writing code. In reality, programming is about shaping ideas, solving problems, and building systems. In other words, programming has two sides, the technical side and the art. The technical side is about writing code that a computer can execute. The art of programming is deeper. It is rooted in the programmer's mindset. It is about approaching problems with curiosity, breaking them into manageable pieces, and solving them in elegant and effective ways. It's about striving for clarity, not just for others who might read your code, but for yourself when you return to it weeks or months later. It's about writing code that's as enjoyable to read as it is to write. Most courses focus on covering as many features and tools as possible. This course is different. It will not only teach you the fundamentals of Python, but will also present concepts in a way that builds a solid foundation for a lifelong learning journey. Most importantly, it will introduce you to the mindset of a programmer and give you a taste of the art of programming. The course consists of 8 modules. These correspond to the topics commonly learned in the first year of a computer science degree. However, we'll explore these topics from perspectives that even computer science graduates may find enriching. I hope you are asking at this point, who am I? And why should you learn from me? Let me share a bit about my personal journey. I attended a high school for mathematically gifted children. While I spent hours in the computer room, writing the best code I could, my smarter peers seemed to really understand what they were doing. I often felt like I wasn't measuring up. Fast forward to today. I've come a long way. I've learned from books, online resources, and amazing teachers. Along the way, I've earned 2 master's degrees, a PhD, and developed software for many research projects. I've also worked on 2 startups. And while these startups did not take off as I hoped they would, they proved that with a solid understanding of fundamentals and the right learning mindset, you can overcome almost any technical challenge. And now, after more than a decade of teaching at the Jerusalem College of Technology, I've distilled what truly matters in learning programming. This course is a shortcut to those essential principles. Unlike purely technical courses that leave you wondering whether you're on the right track, this course will give you the confidence that your time is well spent. You'll understand the core principles of programming and build a strong foundation for continued, enjoyable learning. I can't wait to see what you will accomplish. This course is especially designed for anyone starting their programming journey and wanting to learn in the right way. It's for those who understand that building a fulfilling programming career requires a solid foundation in the art of programming. If this sounds like you, I envy you for having the chance to make such a strong start. If you already have some experience in programming, but feel like you are missing the bigger picture, this course can help you too. While the technical content might be familiar, the non-technical insights woven throughout the course are exactly what you need to deepen your understanding of the art of programming. That said, this course is not for those looking to quickly learn as many Python features and tools as possible. Don't get me wrong, learning Python quickly can be a good first step, and I may even produce a video to help with that. But that's not what this course is about. This course is designed to help you to look beyond the features, to truly understand what you are doing and enjoy doing it. So, here are the key takeaways from this lesson. We learned that the art of programming is much more than just writing code. We discussed how this course will teach you Python fundamentals while helping you develop a programmer's mindset.